Good morning, guys, and welcome to another homeschool day. Today is Tuesday, and I am recording this week for you guys a video every day so that you guys can see a day of our week. And this week is a special week, so as long as we stay healthy, we're going to be doing a lot of different things this week. So it's pretty good for you guys to see a variety of different things and activities that we do in our homeschool. We're not just stuck at home all the time. So this morning is a co-op day. It's 8 a.m. We're going to be leaving here at 9 to get out our co-op at 9:30. I'm going to do my best to record in there. So because there's so many people, what I'm going to have to do is blur the images of being in there just to protect everybody's privacy. But hopefully you'll still get an idea of like what we're doing. I'm gonna sneak into my kids' classes and try and record them on the periods that I'm free. I do teach two classes. I teach a preschool science unit and a preschool learning through literature class. So we've already had breakfast, have my bin packed with all my teacher supplies, so we're gonna drag that out to the garage. To the car. I'm really sleepy. I drank my energy drink and I had all this energy, and then it just hit me again. I'm so tired. But I'm about to take all the stuff to the car. I got completely ready. Aaron is completely ready. Aaron is getting ready, and he's got to squeeze in math today. So let's go get this stuff taken to the car. So I probably should put my shoes off to the side, at least till I put them in my closet. Okay. But this is like all of the teaching stuff here, and then this is giveaway stuff that I'm going to be giving away. So we're going to take that outside. I forgot we also have to walk the dogs. So I started to do my morning devotional. Aaron, I left my socks right there. Can I have them, please? I need to put my shoes on. I started to do my morning devotional, and I just don't have time. We have to get there early. There's so many new families, and we usually have a certain table we sit at, but the later we get there, they're just taking everything, and then it's hard to find a place to sit for lunch. And so I'm gonna get there early and try to get a table for me and some of my friends and for the kids. And yeah, so I'm gonna take my devotional with me. Yeah, so I'm gonna unpack everything into the church, and then I have to drive my car from the handicap spot all the way to the back. That's another thing. I need good parking. The parking is horrible this year. I'm gonna go back to the car so the co-op starts and do my devotionals, and probably have Aaron do his math in the car. We'll just sit in the car for 30 minutes, and then we'll walk over when class is starting. So that's the new plan. So we gotta get out of here now. So we're here at co-op, and I already unloaded. I don't have my camera, my tripod, so it's harder to get all of the footage that I want to get. But we are here, and it's also going to be kind of hard to record the general idea without being weird. So I'll be mostly recording like wherever my kids are, but it's easier when they're in their classes and stuff. So what happens first period is they do the Pledge of Allegiance, and they do morning announcements, and they sing like a little worship song with the kids. They collect pizza money, we sign our kids in, and then the classes start at 9:30. It's just for you guys to get the general idea of like what our homeschool co-op looks like. So I'm gonna do the best I can today. I forgot my books, had them all packed, and then I left them there. So I'm gonna do the Bible app and say a prayer, and then we're going in. So here we are in the classroom that I'm teaching in. I set up my tablecloths. I'll flip the camera over. I set up tablecloths so that the kids don't mess up the tables with any marker or paint that we're doing. Today for our science unit, we are reading Pop, a book about bubbles, and this entire series is from Let's Read and Learn About Science. So this is grades pre-K and kindergarten, and we are going to read the book. I have these little bubbles I'm going to give to them to blow inside the room. Then we're going to go outside, and I have these bubble wands, and my tea and I are going to blow them for them to pop. And then we're going to go outside, and we're going to make a bubble, unpoppable bubbles with salt, soap, and water in some trays. I just remembered I need to go get the water jugs. Then we're going to make rainbow bubble snakes. I'll try to remember to record. And then probably a parachute game to blow bubbles with. And then afterwards, I send home this letter to the parents. Then, for my second class, we are doing Learning Through Literature. We're doing Ferdinand. And we're gonna discuss how people are different, how we're all different. Is it okay to be different? We're gonna talk about bullfighting. They're gonna use paint to paint the flags of Spain. We're probably gonna, if I can get the Wi-Fi on my phone, watch the little movie scene of Ferdinand the Bull. Then I'm gonna give them white paper to draw either their own flower or something that makes them unique. And then I got these off Amazon, these little flower pots that they have stickers with them and grass. And I have some soil here, and I have some seeds in here. And they're gonna plant their own chocolate sunflower seeds. Since Ferdinand loved the flowers. And then that should be it. If we have time, we'll have the kids talk about the pictures that they drew. And then I also have some letters for their parents. We're going into arts and crafts. Carolyn's last class of the day.
Keep in mind that during this year, we have, you guys remember last year where everybody made crafts and sold them? Okay, so we're gonna do that. Things that you can make that you guys can sell during your crafts. You make them, okay? Peel the sticker off, you're gonna paint it.
Headed back over, Carolyn, okay? I'm headed back over. I love that.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
And you don't. How do you do?
I've been good. How have you been?
I heard clean your hair and I was like, wait, what? No, I'm pretty sure that's not what he did.
I'm just gonna get paint on myself, but I don't want to mess up the paint.
So that is the end of our co-op day. Right now I gotta go over to my room and clean it, and then we're gonna go out to eat after. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.